Hop into the 2026 Chevrolet 3500 HD Chassis Cab. The Chevrolet 3500 HD Chassis Cab CC is a heavy-duty pickup truck designed for robust performance and versatility. It features a 6.6-liter V8 gasoline engine or a 6.6-liter Duramax V8 turbo diesel engine, paired with a 10-speed automatic transmission. The 3500 HD-CC offers both rear-wheel drive and four-wheel drive options and comes in regular cab and crew cab configurations. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: wireless Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, intelligent auto on-off high beams, pre-collision system, tires all-terrain, keyless entry, navigation system, 8-cylinder engine, heated mirrors, four-wheel drive, Bluetooth connection. With a high payload capacity and impressive towing capabilities, the 3500 HD-CC is ideal for heavy-duty work and commercial use.